All right, man, I'm gonna give you a little update on the Corvette because everybody's always talking a lot of trash. Why does it take so damn long? Why does it take so long? Because we're making custom things. It's a custom car. I'm not going to the store, buying a bunch of parts, coming home and slapping them on. I'm starting from scratch. Nothing. All right? Custom cars take custom time. All right, now that we got that out of the way, I am 3D printing new headlight and grille holder. Okay, so this is your headlights, your grill. So you know the whole thing goes, I don't know what you're gonna call it, because it means technically a grill, but also holds your headlights. Either way, this is the new grill. This doesn't exist. It starts off with pieces and parts. This is it. This is the whole thing, pieces and parts. This will glue in the car, and then this bolts into this. How amazing is that? Now I just gotta clean it up, prime it up, sand it down smooth, custom paint it, put it all in, and look at how that is gonna modernize that. You know, that is gonna modernize the front end of an incredibly funky front end. That's gonna be the front end. Here, come on. You gotta at least see how it fits. That other piece will glue in first, and then this piece, basically, just bolt into that other piece. And that's it. Look at how slick that looks. 3D printing. You can do anything you want. 3D print your own headlight and grill. And I got a little another scoop that goes down on the bottom underneath, just to scoop a little bit more air because I have such a custom ride. Scoop goes right in here, but I have to cut a bigger hole. So that's why I didn't want to paint it yet. Because if I still have to do cutting and stuff like that, I'm not trying to do that on a painted car. That's what's been taking so long, getting this designed, then 3D printed. Now I gotta clean it up, primer it, bodywork it, test fit it, clean that up, bodywork it, primer it, and then we can paint the Corvette. So it's coming soon, man. It's coming soon.